Letter L. So easy, everybody. Our lowercase l is literally one line. Always start at the top, straight line down. When you practice it on a bumpy surface, I have a tray here that's bumpy, I would say L lamp ool. L lamp ool. L lamp ool. And it's important to do it 3 times at least. So, letter L, uppercase L, super easy. 2 lines, straight down and then across. Easy peasy. It sounds like ool. So we have lettuce, lid, lollipops, lashes, lips, Lego. We have leapfrog, lamp, lion, light, lock. Turn it this way so you guys can see it. Lock, leaf, a link, and a log. Ool. So again, as I put them away, I'm going to tell you the names. We have lion, leaf, leapfrog, lashes, lips, lollipops, log, Lego, light, lamp, lock, link, lid, and lettuce. So I'm curious what else you can find in your house. Have fun looking around inside and outside for things that start with the OL sound.